Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a review and what fits on this beautiful Gucci cosmetic bag. And yeah, it is so nice. I mean, I got this one weeks ago and I was so disappointed when I received this because this is actually not what I expected. I mean, it is smaller than I thought, but I didn't know that this one comes with two sizes. They have it in the large one, and also this is the smallest one. And when I went online, I saw that this was still in production and this was set to be shipped sometime in September. So I jumped on it because this has been sold out, and I was a little bit surprised that when I received this one, it is not what I'd expected. So I was thinking of returning it, and I realized that all of my items that I usually put in my purse fits in here perfectly. So I styled this one with this beautiful strap from Gucci, and I love it. I love it, and I think this strap is actually perfect. And it does actually complements really well with this web here, and then the yellow color actually really complements well. And I just put this D-ring. I added a D-ring so I could wear it as a crossbody, and I was just like I was just so excited, and I could not really stop wearing this beautiful case. But yeah, this is not a purse, this is not a bag, this is actually a cosmetic bag. It is so nice. I did not expect that I would love it. I did not expect it at all. So I'm going to show you in a little bit of what fits on this bag and how I styled it, and some mud shirts as well. So anyways, let's start. So let's start with the measurements. So the measurements is like my personal measurements. And this one, the length for this is 7 inches. And then the height is 5 inches. And the width for this one is 4.7 inches. So this is the measurement for the cosmetic case. Okay, so now moving on, let's see what fits on the cosmetic pouch. So, well, this cosmetic case is actually made up of this beige and ebony GG Supreme canvas crafted from a coated microfiber fabric. So as you can see here, the trim is actually in leather. So it's a brown leather right here in between the zipper. So this is leather, and then the bottom is also made up of leather as well. So let's open this. So I haven't really removed this one yet. How they call this one, the wrapper on the zipper. So let's open the purse. So this is how it would look inside. So as you probably guys have noticed that I put this cardboard here. This is actually the mirror. So I cover it because while I'm filming, it's just showing a lot of glare on my ring light, and it's just, it's just so bright. And also this one has the logo right there. It says Gucci. And this one this one is made in Italy. Has a pocket right here, and also on this side, these are the elastic pockets where you could put your lipstick. But this one I tried to flatten this one so I could fit some of my stuff. But like I mentioned, I'm not gonna put any lipstick on the corner, because sometimes it happens. Sometimes you didn't even realize that the lipstick, you accidentally open it, and it might cause a lot of probably stain on the lining. I didn't like that. So this lining on this one is made up of nylon, and it has the zip closure right here. So I did actually wax this one, and it works perfectly now. So the way I use this one is I just open it all the way towards the end. So when I open this purse, I open it towards the end like that, and then close it the same thing, close it all the way towards the end. So I just really find it so easy that way. So I have here the strap. It's so beautiful. I love it. So let's see what it could fit inside. So let's start with the mini pochette. So the mini pochette would fit perfectly in here. Look at that. So you need to flatten this one, the elastic pockets right here. So yeah, so you could find, so it's easier for you to place this one inside like that. So next I have here the 6 key holder from Louis Vuitton. It sets in perfectly right there. I also have a 4 key holder as well. It's just sets perfectly right there. Oh my goodness. So let's just I'm just gonna have to use the 6 key. And also I have the iPhone, of course. This is a 7 Plus. Let me see. Oh, it's just fits perfectly right there. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. My phone fits in here. Perfect. Also, let's try to put on a coin case. So let me put that one over there. Oh my gosh, it just fits perfectly right there. Wow. And you still have plenty of room. You know, most of the time, this is what I just normally bring. I'm not going to overstuff this because I know that I will be using this and I will be wearing this, using this strap. And I didn't really want to put so much pressure on the handle. So regardless, you know, if you're going to carry it with a top handle, it's still going to put a lot of pressure. But yes, I was able to close it, no problem at all. I closed it so perfect. It's amazingly, like, I'm surprised at how much this purse could fit inside. It's amazing. And all those Louis Vuitton that I have here fits perfectly. So this is pretty much how I'm going to stuff it. I'm not going to put a lot. I'm not going to, like I mentioned, I'm not going to put so much pressure on the handle over here. So let's just see if we have a full-size wallet. Let's just take, for instance, this is a full-size wallet. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it fits perfectly there. I have another wallet as well. This is a card holder from Louis Vuitton from the Tigerama collection. It fits, oh wow, it fits perfect right there. Amazing. Wow. And you have a mirror, which is really nice. So, okay, let's try to close it. Yeah, no problem. No problem at all. I am surprised. I love it. I love this little cutie, guys. And it is, yeah, I mean, it's not that heavy at all. It's very light. It's very light. I'm just like checking on the top handle right here, how much pressure this one could cost this this strap. I don't think it would damage it. I don't think so. I really don't think so. And it's so beautiful. Just like that. So the way I open it is like, I'm going to open it all the way down and then take my stuff out. Yes, this is very roomy, guys. You could put a lot of things in here, and pretty much this is what I would this is just some sort of like a demonstration of how much you could actually fit in this beautiful cutie cosmetic pouch, and I love it. I would definitely gonna recommend if you're looking for something that is such a cute and compact purse. This is so amazing. I love its versatility. I love that you could use it as a cosmetic, a vanity case, and also as a crossbody as well. It's just amazing. It just definitely makes your money worth. And let me see, I have an agenda here. Let me just try to see if my agenda fits in here. The Louis Vuitton agenda fits perfectly inside, no problem at all. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. And 6 key ring holder, and let's close it. Perfect. Perfect. So I would highly recommend this, guys. If you were, I don't know, I am just so surprised because like I mentioned, I am so close of like returning this. I called the customer service about if I actually ordered the wrong thing, but in fact it is not. I got the right order. And I was looking forward for the large one, but I am so happy. I did not expect that. I am loving the smaller version of these. So beautiful. And also, if you're interested, this is the code. So this is the code itself right there. And I think this is still available online. I'm not 100% sure, because I was looking for the measurements for this on the website, and since this has been like, I ordered this one and I did not really expect that they were able to fulfill this, as they were still in production, and I wasn't able to see this the detail about this particular bag online. But yes, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I just can't contain my happiness, really, guys. Because would have never expect that. I love this purse so much, really. So anyways, I am going to show you now how I'm going to wear this beauty. So with other straps as well, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you how this purse would look using a crossbody strap. Okay, so this is the strap and the bag itself. Okay, so this is how it would look. Yeah, it's so nice. It just sits perfectly right here in my hip. It's so lovely. Look at that. It is so nice. Wow, I love it. It's so cute. I am so surprised that when I put this strap, it just changed the whole thing. I mean, I know I didn't like it at first because it is so small, but apparently I am loving it. Wow. So if you have one of these straps from your Gucci purse, this works perfectly with that. I am so happy. Wow, I'm so happy that I was able to get this little tiny cosmetic bag. So yeah, this is how it works, like that. You could put it right here in the front, you could put it right here in the side, like that, and you could just probably gonna carry it using the handle. Just leave the strap hanging. That would also look good. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow, I love it. This is how it would look with the black strap. Yeah, this is more of like an accessories for the bag, but you can actually wear this one on your shoulder. Yeah, you could wear this one on your shoulder as well if you wanted to do that. If in your arms as well, like this, like that. And also you could carry it by using the top handle. Yeah, however you wanted. And also I have another one which is white. This time I have it in white. So yeah, you could wear it on your shoulder and also on your arms, like this, like that, and also the top handle as well, however you wanted. So yes, this is my most favorite among those straps. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I think this one is such a perfect match to it. Yeah, very nice, very lovely. I love it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.